Welcome back to Classic Motors. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Lexi LIH 700, a car that blends luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Let's take a detailed look at what makes this vehicle stand out, starting with its exterior. When you first see the Lexi LIH 700, the design immediately catches your attention. It's sleek, modern, and aggressive, without being over the top. The front features a large, sculpted grille that gives the car a bold presence, paired with ultra-slim LED headlights that give it a futuristic look. The lines across the body are sharp and well-defined, which adds to its aerodynamic efficiency. The side profile is elegant, with a perfect balance between sportiness and sophistication, especially with the 20-inch alloy wheels that come standard. At the back, the taillights stretch across the width of the vehicle, connected by a light bar that really gives it that premium feel. The dual exhaust setup is integrated into the rear bumper seamlessly, contributing to the car's clean, refined aesthetic. Moving to the interior, Lexi has truly outdone itself with the LIH 700. When you step inside, you're greeted by high-quality materials everywhere, from the soft touch leather upholstery to the brushed aluminum accents. The dashboard is minimalistic but futuristic, featuring a massive 15-inch touchscreen that controls most of the car's functions. The instrument cluster is fully digital, offering customizable views, so whether you're on a long highway drive or navigating through city streets, everything you need is easily accessible. The seats are incredibly comfortable, with options for both heating and ventilation, making it perfect for any climate. There's ample space, both in the front and the back, with legroom that can comfortably accommodate taller passengers. And of course, the ambient lighting throughout the cabin adds a sophisticated touch, allowing you to adjust the color and intensity to match your mood. Now let's talk performance, which is where the LIH 700 truly shines. Under the hood, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing a massive 450 horsepower. This allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest sedans in its class. The 10-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts, whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing it on winding roads. The car also comes with an advanced all-wheel drive system, which gives you confidence in various driving conditions, whether it's rain, snow, or dry pavement. Handling is sharp and responsive, thanks to the adaptive suspension that adjusts to your driving style. You can choose between multiple drive modes, including comfort, sport, and eco, depending on how you want the car to respond. And for those concerned about fuel efficiency, the LIH 700 offers a hybrid model as well, giving you around 35 miles per gallon in combined driving, which is impressive for a car of this size and power. As for technology and safety, Lexi hasn't skimped here either. The car comes equipped with a host of advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking in tight spots a breeze. There's also an impressive heads-up display that projects key information onto the windshield, so you never have to take your eyes off the road. Finally, let's talk about the pricing. The 2025 Lexi LIH 700 starts at around $70,000 for the base model, but if you want all the bells and whistles, including the hybrid engine and advanced tech package, you're looking at closer to $90,000. While it's certainly on the higher end of the spectrum, given the luxury, performance, and features packed into this car, it's worth every penny. So, to sum it all up, the 2025 Lexi LIH 700 is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a luxury sedan that offers top-tier performance, cutting-edge technology, and a beautifully designed interior and exterior. Whether you're commuting to work or taking it out on the open road, this car is sure to impress. That wraps up our review for today. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Classic Motors for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next one.